slow feeder. This is something very unique for pets. We're gonna take a look at it and we're gonna demo it with Toby. We're gonna put it on this dish and see how that works. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get. All right, it's pretty much a silicone base. It has a suction cup. You can't move it around once you set it up. So you got to make sure you have a flat surface and a dry surface. And if you guys can see, I'm trying to pull it, but you put snacks in between and he has to pretty much grab the snacks from here, but you lift it from here, right? That's what this thing is for. So I'm going to put it in here. You guys see that? Push it down. And we're going to try to see if we can put some snacks in here for him. Try to see if you could grab them. And you can do this on a smaller bowl or in a larger bowl. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, suggestion, get a smaller bowl, but this would do. I'm going to have a challenge him. See if he could grab some stuff. And we can always put little snacks in between here and have him challenging. You could have him entertain himself with this stuff, but I suggest get a smaller bowl. And that should do it. So let's see if Toby's gonna finish it. Go ahead, Toby. Show us how to use this.
Oh, I see it to be silver or something.
Now, this thing is good for them to slow down on eating, and it keeps them entertained for a couple of minutes, man. I would say if you put a lot of food in there, it would make a lot of sense for him, and it's gonna take him some time. He could slow his eating habits because this guy likes to absorb things. So right now he's investigating. He's like, how do I attack this thing? How do I go around it? So you guys see, he's like, how do I get this stuff? So it's entertaining for him, and it's a little difficult, but he's actually trying to get some stuff, and he's maneuvering himself around. Are you having troubles? He's giving up on it. So it's very simple. Just entertaining for him. He's not fast eating it like before. He's slowing his time. He's taking his time. Put a couple of snacks in there. Important thing. This is great for slowing him down because this guy scarfs the whole food down quickly. But in this case, it's going to take him some time, and he's going to slowly eat it. If you can see in between there, this is silicone, easy to wash. You can put it in the washer too. It's water resistant and everything. It's silicone, so you can put it in any dishwasher to clean it up. I would suggest clean it up once in a while to keep the bacteria away. So perfect for a dog that scarfs. Normally when you give him food, he eats it quickly. Today he's taking his time. He's moving left and right. So very interesting on the concept of slowing the dog down to digest his food. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.